Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add outlines to text in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, add your text. You can do that by clicking on that text tool here on the left sidebar and by positioning your text box somewhere here on the editing space. Next, type in your text, for example, test, whatever you want. Then change the color of that font really quickly. You can change its size as well. Now what you have to do after that, right click on the text layer on the layer list to the right, and here select blending options from the menu, and inside your layers blending options select stroke. Enable it by ticking the box here to the left, and after that customize your outline effect. For example, you can apply a custom color. You can go for red, yellow, whatever you want. You can adjust the opacity and also the size and play around with these outline settings. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add outlines to text in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.